Hello guys, in this video we will see what is party chat not connecting in Battlefields and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Set but understanding. Party chat not connecting content. Party chat not connecting in Battlefield refers to the situation where players grouped in a squad or party cannot communicate with each other using the game's integrated voice chat system. This issue manifests in various ways, such as seeing the voice chat status stuck on connecting and inability to hear teammates, or having your own microphone input not registered by the game. It specifically impacts real-time verbal communication, essential for team coordination within Battlefield, distinct from general game connection problems or private platform-level party chats like those on PlayStation or Xbox. SEP basic hardware and software checks. Content begin by verifying your audio hardware and in-game settings. Ensure your microphone and headset are correctly plugged in and functioning for other applications. Check your system sound settings, Windows or console, to confirm the correct input and output devices are selected, and that microphone access is granted for Battlefields or its respective platform within Battlefields itself. Navigate to the audio settings to ensure voice chat is enabled, the correct input-output device is chosen, and that volume levels for both incoming and outgoing chat are set appropriately. If using push-to-talk, confirm the keybind is active and correctly configured. Step to network and server-side diagnostics. Content network stability is crucial for voice chat. Verify your internet connection is stable and free from significant packet loss or high ping, which can disrupt real-time communication. Check your router's NAT type. A strict NAT can often impede peer-to-peer connections required for in-game party chat. Consider power cycling your router and modem. Additionally, investigate the current status of Battlefield's game servers and your platform's online services. Heaps and spucks live up status pages. Widespread service outages or maintenance can impact specific features like voice chat independently of general gameplay. Separate game and platform-specific solutions. Content many issues can be resolved by restarting the game application, your console or your which clears temporary glitches and refreshes connections. If you are in a party, try leaving and rejoining the squad to re-establish the chat connection. For players, utilize the Verify Integrity of Game Files option through the app or Steam to repair any corrupted game files that might be causing communication errors. Ensure Battlefields and your operating system or console firmware are fully updated, as patches frequently include fixes for known bugs and connectivity issues. Clearing the cache on your console or game launcher can also resolve persistent problems. Step advanced troubleshooting and support. Content. If the problem persists, explore more advanced steps temporarily. Disable your firewall or antivirus software. Remember to enable them immediately after testing to see if they are blocking Battlefield's communication ports. As a diagnostic step, try using an alternative voice chat application like Discord or your console's native party chat to determine if the issue is specifically with Battlefield's in-game chat or a broader system problem. If all else fails, gather detailed information about your setup and the steps you've taken, then contact support directly. They can provide specific guidance, check server-side diagnostics, or inform you of any known issues impacting voice chat services.